Hi, I am Dan, and I will show you how to use Videolinq. On your first login, we direct you to a channel. You must select a video source to create a live broadcast on a channel. First, create the video source. This can be a webcam, a virtual meeting, a live video from an RTMP encoder, a single uploaded file, or multiple files in a playlist. We will use an RTMP stream from an OBS encoder for this demonstration. Copy the RTMP path and stream key to OBS and start the stream. Once you see the video in the preview player, press Go Live. Now the channel is active. We will add automated closed captions to the video. We need to wait 1 minute for the captions to show. In the meantime, we can select target destinations for our live stream. These can be social media, other video platforms, or a generic RTMP out custom stream. More than 1 minute passes, and I can see the automated captions created in the editor and correct mistakes the AI system makes before they are inserted back into the live stream. I can also create a player to embed on my website or blog. Give the player a name you will remember and proceed to customize it. The player supports live or recorded files and can point to Videolinq or any other streaming service supporting HLS playback. When done, generate the iframe code and paste it into your website. The platform has features like scheduling live streams, studio for teams, stream protection, and monetization tools. Watch additional tutorial videos about each section of the dashboard. For more details, articles, and additional information, visit help.videolinq.com.